let's look at how you can create your own samples like this one from Drake's song.
Liquid means rewind, a gunshot means forward. You requested it, so we rewind.
So there are actually 3 simple methods to create samples, and we're gonna look at all 3 today. This method is primarily useful for creating beats. Basically what you do is load a song into the deck. Go over to your loop panel and set the loop for 8 beats, and you can see that it highlights the loop section. So the cool thing about this is that once the section of the track is looped, we don't even have to play it. We can just go over to our panel here, and there's a little button that says Rec. So if we hit that, it seamlessly creates our looped sample. We can play it in the browser to ensure it's the same sample. You can rename these samples just by right-clicking on them and opening the sample editor. Once opened, you can use this name section to key in a new name and just save it when done. This method works best if you wanted to do something like a voice drop of some sort, or you wanted to drop your DJ name. If you have a USB mic or your computer has a mic in it, you can create a sample with your voice. So for example, if we wanted to create a voice drop, we could go into the master panel where you've got this mic section. You could turn your mic on, or you can just simply record. So the mic on option will broadcast your voice so that everybody would hear you. Or you can just use the record option. This option allows you to make a quick voice drop by clicking on record. Let's try it out.
Virtual DJ tips. Virtual DJ tips.
If you had a section of a song where maybe there was a vocal part that you wanted to use, this would be a really easy way to do it, like this Drake song.
Liquid means rewind, a gunshot means forward. You requested it, so we rewind.
So, looking at my sample panel, I have a new sample bank made. Now, if I go over to my left-hand menu, I have some songs. If I just wanted to grab a track and drag it right into the sampler, that'll be the entire song, and since we just want a small section of the track, we can go into our sample editor by right-clicking on it. Now we can grab our little blue playhead and move it to the position that we want. There's one at the end as well. We can also move that.
Liquid means rewind, a gunshot means forward. You requested it, so we rewind.
When satisfied with the trim, you can now rename the sampler and click on Save. And now you have a new quick drop sample from a Drake song. So hopefully, this video has given you a pretty decent idea of how to create, record and edit your samples. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more DJ content.